Hello everyone and welcome for another short video series. This is Ahmed Mustafa coming to you again. So today I'm going to cover the meaning of HLA. So what is HLA? HLA stands for human leukocyte antigen. Human because it is come from human. Leukocyte because all the initial experiment was done on white blood cells in the early field, which I have presented in different presentation. But now we know that HLA is actually expressed on all nucleated cells. Antigen because it can elicit an immune response in the form of antibodies. So if I ask you about this image, are these images for the same person? 50% of the audience will say yes, they are the same person, and another 50% will say they could be identical siblings. So in order to differentiate between them, if we did fingerprints, and these fingerprints are identical fingerprints, then they are of the same person. And in the world of transplantation, we call it matched fingerprints. Because even in identical siblings, they will have not identical fingerprints, because fingerprints, as you know, are formed in the uterus from the pressure of the fluid on the skin of the infant. So if I got this image again or this other fingerprints and ask you, are these for the same person, then yes, they are not identical fingerprints, and in the world of transplant we call it mismatched fingerprints. So let's see what in this conversion to the HLA field. So if I ask you, are these white blood cells for the same person? Yeah, they look similar, but we need more information. But now, if you look at it with the fields of with the presentation of HLA, yes, they look exactly the same. They have the same color, so they are called HLA identical or matched HLA. However, in this figure, if I ask you, are these for the same person? No, they are not, because in one of them they have different flavors or different colors, and in the other one it is only white. So in the world of transplantation or the field of transplantation, we call it HLA is not identical or mismatched HLA. Thank you again, and I hope to see you again soon.